Hello everyone, now we are going to Dubai Creek Harbour. We are on the way. Within few minutes we can reach there. Be with us. We're gonna see you every single things happening there. There's so many restaurants, walking area, new marina, which you can see Burj Khalifa, downtown, Dubai Festival City, and a lot of more. So stay with us and see a new city in Dubai, which is Creek Harbour. One of the very important things I like to share with you, which is the new tallest building all over the world. It's gonna be built here in Dubai Creek Harbour. This city already built quite few months. As you can see, there are so many buildings around. Dubai is one of the best city, as we all know. The people life safety 100% guaranteed, and in this city you can find everything if you have money. Wow, what a beautiful place. Now here we are in Dubai Creek Harbour, which is a very new city in Dubai, not too far from the city. As you can see the Burj Khalifa over there and the skyline, and you have a very beautiful lake over here. It's a new city to live, which is very nice place. Most of the people now love to live in Dubai Harbour Creek. This place have a marina. If you have your own yacht, you can go in the evening with your family to have a nice tour. And the apartment here is not too expensive compared to downtown. A small boat coming, we can see people are having lots of fun. If you do not have your own boat, you can rent a boat here. Beside of that, this is a very nice place in the evening to walk. I'll show you all around. Be with me to see the end. Imagine how nice will be living on of this apartment, looking over this marina from your apartment. It is a mind-blowing place. Every day you will see something new from your home. If anyone thinking to move in this, please do not be late. You can feel the fresh green water. No bad smell from this water, because this canal is connected directly to the sea, and the water also very clean. Just look around, so many people here having fun with the boat trip. As you can see, one by one the small boats are coming. They are not so expensive, so everyone can afford to having a boat trip. Now one more boat is coming, we'll see, and unlimited boat keep on coming, going on. It is very nice to see the Burj Khalifa and downtown, the skyline. It is amazing. See another boat. These people also coming back from their trip. So whole day there are so many people keep coming, going with boat trip. So I will recommend you to come and visit this place and think if you love to live in this area. Now I can see another boat also going. So it is really nice place. Also we have a Dubai Marina. So compared to Dubai Marina, this place is not that crowded. So it is recommended to live here in Dubai Harbour. Now we will walk around. You will see very nice walking way, and it's a long way. You can walk more than 1 or 2 hours. If you are tired, you can sit down. Here you have a binocular where you can see the city, our downtown Burj Khalifa. Again another boat is going with some people. So people are having lots of fun. Believe me, you will love to visit this place and go for a ride. walking area is too long. You can see I'm now walking all over the end on the right side, and then later on I will go to the other side as well. If you are tired, you can have a seat. There are sitting arrangement, kids playing area, and if you like to do biking or scooter or skating, also it's a nice place to have a social media picture to upload in your social media. Now we are here during the daytime, but if you come at night, this place is more beautiful. So many colorful lights and music and much more people. So it's nice to walk in the evening or at night. If you are going in your apartment, just go down near to this lake. Your mind will be completely refreshed with this beautiful water sound and the beautiful view. You will be sitting for longer and you will never feel tired. Also, I can see there are life vests for people in case of any emergency. So this is a completely safe place to live and enjoy your life. I think this place we have seen so many pictures already in social media. Most of the people, they love to come here and take a picture with this hashtag Dubai Creek Harbour written next to the swimming pool. So I think you all know this already seen in the social media. There are some new restaurants are coming, sitting area, and then next to the restaurants there are some kids playing area. I'm slowly walking there. You can have a look. This is I can see a little far the walking area. This is the place where people love to take picture. You can see the Burj Khalifa over there and beautiful swimming pool. People can, kids can play around and have fun all the time, all the day. So there is no timing. So these places are open for 24 hours. So you can come anytime and visit. This is where you can come down from here on the left side, where we can see there are some kids activities. So kids will be never boring and not disturbing you. They always can have fun and play around. They have really very nice activities here. Really, it's kids friendly area. You can see there are so many kids. They're enjoying a lot. Their parents. Really nice. Kids will love. Kids will love. So you can come with your kids as well to have some fun. Now I will be going back to the other side, which you can see that's near to our Dubai Festival City view. So from that side, if you look on your right side, you can see Dubai Festival City, then the metro station and the old city. Kids are always busy here. You can see there are kids having some scooter ride. So this is a nice place for kids, for family, for friends, for living a better life. Quite long way to go to the other side, so just be with me. I'm walking to other side to see all around. There's so many beautiful seating arrangement around, and people really love to take a picture. As you can see, here is written "I love UAE" and some other things. So it's nice also to take picture for your social media. Some of the apartments are very near to the marina. You can say they are kind of connecting to the marina, and just down of their building there are so many nice restaurants and lots of selection. So if you don't need to go anywhere, or if you want to invite your friends, you can come and visit can see. Another kids activities, somewhere like adventure. That's for little kids. They will really love to come here and play around the beautiful garden. So many seating arrangements. A nice long way, walking, running, doing any kind of activities. So really nice place. So much green around, beautiful flower, plants, and here we can see a colorful ball which is completely made with flower, different kind of flower. People really love to take the pictures. So this, I don't know what exactly to be said, but we can see it's a round ball made with lots of flowers. Now I am here almost to the other side. From here you can see to our old city, Dubai Festival City, and the bridge from Dubai Festival City going to Al Zadaf or Business Bay Crossing. That all you can see. It's quite far, but that's also very beautiful place. You can see over there. Now I will zoom the camera a little bit so it will be more nice view to see everyone and understand that as I'm talking about. Here we can see that's the connecting bridge from Dubai Festival City to Al Jadaf and crossing to our business bay. Thank you to all my viewers who stay with me. I will suggest whenever you have time, please come and visit this place. You all will be loved to walk around here and see this beauty of Dubai. Thanks once again to watch my video.